Oh, Friday. That's 2 days.
I know it's 2 days. Okay, everyone, excited 2 weeks. Something you love, something you know. No wrong answers.
You haven't started.
I know.
Mr. Chen will notice.
I know.
What are you thinking about?
What? The presentation. What do you love? Start there.
So talk about dinosaurs.
What?
Your presentation. Talk about dinosaurs.
I can't question the one.
And Miss Cherndov question the lawyers. Tell us. Okay, so everyone thinks dinosaurs are extinct, but technically they're not, because birds are dinosaurs, like actual direct descendants. Yay.
Were he's intelligent?
You just talked for 6 minutes. I counted. 6 minutes. Your presentation is only 2.
Is that also about being surreal? Can't be scared and real at the same time.
Kai, it's your turn to read.
I can't.
Can't what? Read. Out loud. In front of people.
The letters move when I read out loud. Not when I read in my head. Only out loud.
Mu telling.
Is that why you always help me? Because you know what scared feels like from the inside?
I read a paragraph. Then Kai reads in his hot seat and tells
Tells me what happened. That's a perfectly good way to read together.
you sat with me on the bus on Monday.
That was different.
Emma. Chapter 9 has the best ones, especially the one about the T-Rex arms. So, birds are actually dinosaurs. Real ones, and I can prove it. The first fact is about Archaeopteryx, and this is the part that blows everyone's mind.
There he is.
How was practice last night?
Okay, thanks to appeared all day.
Let's use the T-Rex arms fact.
Yes, it's the care about it.
Tomorrow, presentations. I want to tell you something true about audiences. Every single person watching you present, they are rooting for you. They want you to do well. Because when you do well, it feels good for them too.
Mine's about football. My position. What the midfielder does.
I have to read some of it to help me remember. What if I lose the words again?
You know what you told me? About the bus you said on 3.
And that is why birds are the most underrated dinosaurs alive today.
That was the arms fact made me genuinely surprised and I already knew it.
Your turn, Kais. You feeling going. Today's the day. I know, me too.
You're up.
I've been up.
A while. I wrote you a note.
Wonderful. Thank you, Aisha. Noah, you're up.
I'm going to talk about dinosaurs, specifically why they are not actually extinct. Earthbirds and dinosaurs, vegetable fans. Pigeons are absolutely dinosaurs. Pigeons are dino-flying ones, actually. Okay, this is the one that everyone always... Okay, T-Rex. Everyone knows T-Rex. Big teeth, tiny arms. Where's the smash through your arms?
Noah, genuinely excellent. Thank you.
Kai presented today.
You did.
I got stuck twice.
And an out in a good way.
But in the last.
I'm soon.
Monday?
Monday.